Hello friends, it's Sampathma from GEEKS and it's assignment number Introduction to C Programming. Assignment 2 and question number 1. The program is a matrix will be given and we have to find whether it is an upward triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Upward triangular matrix is one where the elements below the diagonal are 0. See here, the elements below the diagonal are 0, so it is lower, and its vice versa is lower triangular matrix, and this is upward triangular matrix. And they are restricted not to use arrays. If you use arrays, it would be as simple, but you should not use arrays. If you use arrays while validating, there might be a reduction of marks, so please be aware. So as usual, I am getting the n value, that is size, and from running the for loop for I equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, and I am getting each and every input, that is every element, and I am processing it. That is, if I is greater than 0, while 0 0 a number will be get, and it is compared, and I and j is compared. If I greater I is less than j, that is, see here, for lower triangular matrix 0 0 0 1, so j is greater than I. If so, the number is checked, and if the number is equal to 0, not equal to 0, count will be incremented. And similarly, for upper triangular matrix, if I is greater than j, see here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 2 1 0, so here I is greater than j. So if I use that logic, if I is greater than j, num will be checked and count will be incremented if num not equal to 0. So finally, if count equal to 0, that means if count equal to 0, the number is not in 0, so it is not an upper triangular. So I have printed using OR condition and yes and no. And the assignment question 2 is a set of integers will be given and we have to find the second largest. Here also we should not use arrays. So I am getting in the number using while loop, and another condition they have given is -1. If -1 is got by the input, it is considered that it is the integers are over, that is the elements before -1 or the last elements. So if n equal to -1, break, else if n is greater than max, and I have set max is equal to -1000. If usually you would set max equal to 0 here, as there might be a negative integers, I have set -1000. If n is greater than -1000, so second max equal to max and max equal to n. So while keeping this, the numbers largest number and the number next to the largest number will be stored in second max, and the largest number will be stored in max. Else, and another condition, n is greater than second max equal to n. So finally I will be printing second max. The questions given in assignment 2, you should not use arrays, as they haven't taught you the arrays. If they finished the teaching arrays, you can use arrays everywhere. And the third question is, you have to find the distinct elements in the given set of integer. Like previous sum, if the n is -1, it denotes that the numbers previous to -1 are considered as input, and it should be stopped when n equal to -1. Here we should not use arrays, and the condition given is in case it should be in increasing order, decreasing order. So it tells that if there are repeating numbers, it will be in a consecutive order, as it is an increasing or descending, it's a ascending or descending order. So I have got one number using numbers using while loop, and if num not equal to 1, minus 1, you have this if condition will come inside. The concept behind this is one number will be checked with another number. So first, if the first number is get, there won't be a previous number for first. So I am running the else loop for one time. So only I have used count equal to minus 1. If count greater than 0, first time count won't be greater than 0, count equal to 0. So only once this will be run, and I am assigning num1 equal to num. So as usually, then if condition will be run here. If count is greater than 0, num equal to num1, set plus plus. If num equal to num1, if consecutive numbers are repeated, it meant that there are repeating numbers. So I am increasing set plus plus num1 equal to num, so that next upcoming integer will be checked with num1. I am counting out plus plus to find the number of integers, so that the set plus plus, that is number of repeated integers and number of total integers, can be subtracted, so that a number of distinct elements will be find out. So this is the logic. So I have given, and I have printed count minus set. So it's the assignment 2 questions. If you have any more doubts, please do comment.